Alright, so here's how you get a dent out of a bumper. You get a heat gun, which is a little cheap Harbor Freight heat gun. And I've been heating this thing up for a while. I got it real nice and hot now. And then I'm going to go underneath the car and I'm going to slide my hand up from the back side of the bumper and push out on this. And believe it or not, these molded bumpers have a little bit of a memory. Not a whole lot, so it's not, you know, sometimes it'll pop back out perfect, sometimes it won't. I've done quite a few of these, but we're going to see now. I won't be able to record all this because I don't have anybody out here with me, but I'm going to now get up underneath the car and push from the back side and see if I can get that to pop out, or how well I can get that to pop out. I'll bring you back. Okay, so like I said, not perfect. I don't know which way y'all can see better, but see there's a little bump right there that sticks out a little more than the rest of it, but it looks way better than it did. It's very hard for me to get to that particular spot, so I can't work with it too much, but I'm done. That's all I'm going to do. It looks way better than it did before. I'm going to leave it alone. Once it cools, then it'll stay like that. I mean, it's already staying like that, but once it cools, there won't be any harm of, you know, it's sucking back in or something. And if it does, you just do it again. But I don't, hopefully y'all can, yeah, you can see that. It looks way better than it did, but it does have that one little hump in there. And that's it. That's how to repair your bumper. Now, obviously, if you want it perfect, you just work with it longer. And you got to be careful, because that one little part where it's sticking out too far, like I said, I could barely reach that. I pushed out on that, I believe, too far in that one area. That's almost like my knuckle or something maybe sticking out right there. You'd be better, especially if you can get to it real good, to use a wet cloth on the backside. Use a wet cloth and press, you know, with a open palm or something like that, you know, something flat, instead of the backside of your fist. But, you know, if that's all you can reach it with, that's all you can reach it with. But if you can reach it with something that contours with, you know, like press out here with your fingers here and then up here like that, instead of like this through the whole thing, and you'll get a better result. Like I said, I couldn't reach it well enough to do any better than what I did, and I'm happy with the result I got for, you know, how well I can reach it and what I'm going to sell this car for.